Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Varquidia, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Welcome back, you guys, to another episode of Mi Casa es Tu Casa, which basically means my home is your home. So if you don't know, I moved into my apartment almost a month ago. Tomorrow, actually June 14th, will be exactly 1 month since I've been in my apartment, and I still don't have a dresser. So this video, I finally was able to buy a dresser a few days ago because IKEA finally opened up, and the dresser that I wanted was from there. It's called like the Malm dresser, I believe. The Malm, M-A-L-M. I know that's what it's called. Anyways, my brother's gonna be coming over soon to help me build it, so I'm gonna be recording that. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna be going couch shopping, sofa shopping, sectional shopping, whatever you want to call it, shopping for the living room, because obviously there's nothing here. I need a couch. I just it's such a big purchase, and I'm just scared to make it, and I just want to find the perfect couches. So I'm a little skeptical of ordering online, and the ones that I've seen, I fell in love with them. They're all online, but I haven't been able to actually go in store, sit on them and things like that. So tomorrow I'm actually going to be going to Value City Furniture and seeing a couple couches that I've seen online that I really want to see in person, to just see like if I like any of them, and hopefully, fingers crossed, make a purchase so that my couches can come soon. But yeah, you guys, that's what this video is going to consist of. Please make sure you watch until the end so you can see all of the good stuff. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart. Yeah. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart, I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you now.
We're almost done building the dresser. My brother just added a couple nails in the back, and then we're gonna put the drawers inside and then take it to the room. Well, we'll probably take it to the room before we put the drawers in, but I'm excited. Just wait and see it. Okay, come in. Yep, yes I did. Keep going. Keep going.
Where's it going?
Right there where you're at. Now you just drop it. Oh my God, I think it fits perfect. Here's the final product, you guys. The dresser looks so nice. I love how minimal it is. I love that it's white, and the dresser inside is so wide and it goes back very deep, so I'll be able to fit a lot of clothes in here. And yeah, you guys, I just love it. Oh my gosh, and it fits so perfect in this space. Like, it literally fits so perfect. There's only like a little bit of space left, but I'm so glad because I'm able to open and close my closet without any issues. So that's a good thing. So the dresser looks so nice, you guys. I can't wait to put all of my shirts, my pants, my pajamas, my underwears, my bras, my tank tops, all of that good stuff away, because literally I've had all of that stuff in bins. All of my shirts, sweaters, all that good stuff, dresses are all hung up, but like the things that need to go in my dresser were just in bins, and I'm so glad that my brother helps me. So I'm excited to kind of put it together. I will be making a video like organizing my dresser, so stay tuned for that. I'll make a video like organizing my closet and my dresser, so stay tuned. But up next is the video of us going shopping for couches. Hey you guys, it's the next day. I am at Value City Furniture right now. I'm actually just looking around to see the couches, so stay tuned to see the ones that I like, and hopefully I purchase one of them. I like these, but they don't have it in beige, and that's the color that I'm looking for, so it's a no. Oh, these are nice too. These are huge. Let me sit on them. That's the color I'm looking for, but I don't love these, and they're really big. This one's nice too, but it's more on like the grayish side. I mean, you could change the pillows, but beige. This is ugly. I don't like the bottom. Right there looks weird. Let me see. Oh, these were the ones that I saw online. I like these a lot, but I don't know if they're gonna fit in my crib. I like these. These are nice, and I love the color. These are one of the ones that I saw online. I like these. These were the ones that I really wanted. I just don't like how the pillows look like after you sit on them, so I'm gonna have to fluff it up all the time. Let me see, Angel. You like it? Echate para atrás. It looks comfortable though, right? It's comfortable. Let me see. Yeah, this one's huge. I would have to get the one like the smaller sectional, because they have like different sizes. So like I'd probably have to either get like a 3-piece or like a 4-piece sectional. That one's the one that I just saw, but that one's huge. That one's the one right here. That's too big for my creed. Another one of the ones that I saw online. But in person, I don't love it. I don't like this material. It's like 2 colors. But I love the size of it. But yeah, this is a no. And it comes with a chair. I wouldn't have gotten that because that would have been too big, but I don't like that it's 2 colors. It's like 2 tones. So it's a no for this one too. But I want a sectional. So the thing is, like, I love the sectionals, but I don't know if it's gonna look right because it's gonna like cover the AC. That's the only way I can get a sectional, is covering the AC, and I don't know if I want to do that. So I'm a little nervous and I'm freaking out because I don't know what to do, and my family's trying to pressure me to buy something because I'll be doing the most, and I just still don't know. I'm undecisive, so I'm nervous. So for the Colin couch, they actually have all these other colors available as well, which is nice, but I really think that I like the ivory anyways. Guys, we're just sitting on another couch trying to decide. I'm scared to make a decision.
Hi, baby.
Mommy, what couches do you think I should get?
I'm coming 3 times for the same question for the couch. You say I like it, I'm coming, I don't like it. I'm looking in internet, you say I like it, I'm coming again, you say I don't like it. Not fair.
I don't know what to do. My mom is stressed. She's over me. Angel, what do you think I should do?
What do you guys think? Yes or no?
Alright, y'all are getting on my nerves. Y'all, they are literally over me. Even the sales guy, like, he's like,
Alright, guys.
he's like, don't worry about the AC. If you like it, just get it, pretty much. So I'm just sitting here trying to make a decision and trying to let it come all to me and see how I like it. But I don't know. Okay, we're sitting again, trying to see. Just trying to figure it out. Everybody's like just staring, looking, they're mad, but there's a big purchase, so I'm all oily. It's comfortable. Let me go to the other one to see. Let me go back to the plush couch. Oh yeah, I don't think I want this one because look at the pillows, y'all. Like whenever somebody sits on them, it like leaves the indent of like, cause you like not melt, but like you kind of like fall into it. But I mean, on there, just looks weird. So like, look. Now once I get up, you guys see what I mean? It's like stays there, so you have to like fluff it back up, and I'm not gonna be doing that every single day. So I don't know. And that's what I mean. They're all like right there, just staring, waiting for us to make a decision. And I can do the karate chop and put it in a corner,
And ta-da, ta-da.
and it looks beautiful. So I just realized that the couches have a zipper or whatever, so I can wash the covers. So that's a plus. But we're just still sitting here, and the guys are in the back, still watching us, waiting for us to make a decision because we came here like one other time, and I had came here also before COVID. So, ¿qué pasa? I think we made a decision.
What are we doing here?
I don't know, actually. I'm kidding.
No, remember too. Now here's the thing. Remember too, because those are the real piece. So if you get that in, and if something seems like it's too bad, if you need to return a piece or two, yeah, just try to put it back on the truck, and then once we return, we'll refund that difference.
Mami, ¿cómo se siente que ya compré un mueble? I bought a couch, y'all. I bought a couch. I am a couch owner. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mami, ¿cómo se siente?
Me siento muy feliz ahora después de venir 3 veces atrás de los muebles. I'm coming 3 times. I'm looking for the sofa.
They were over me. They were like, buy the fucking couch. Basically. I'm excited. Hey, you guys. So I'm finally back home from spending the day with my family and, you know, looking for couches. I ended up buying my couch. So, yay. I'm so excited. It should be here in a few weeks, and I will be able to show you it and how it looks in my place. But the couch that I really wanted was from Living Spaces. It was called the Utopia couch. It was a sectional, but the only thing with that was that I didn't want to order a couch that I wasn't able to like actually see physically and sit on and things like that. So, and the closest Living Space store is all the way in Texas. So I live in Pennsylvania. That just was a no for me. And then the ones that I kind of went back and forth with at Value City Furniture was 4 different couches. So it's crazy because I remember all of the couches name. Like literally I did so much research on all of these couches that is crazy. I could probably sell a couch at Value City Furniture. I'll put pictures up on like the screen, and then you guys can comment down below which one you guys think I got or which one you guys like better. So I really wanted a sectional for my apartment, and it was very difficult because the only space that it would fit, it would be kind of covering the AC, and I was kind of skeptical of doing that, but I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna just try it and see how it works. So the first one is the Ethan couch. It was such a nice couch, and I love that it was a sectional. But one thing that I liked it was that it was very comfortable. The price was very affordable, and one thing that I didn't like was that it was like a 2-tone material. The second one that I liked was the cozy couch, and that one was the gray couch. So the only bad thing about that one was the color. I wanted a beige couch, and they didn't have that in any other color. And what I really liked about that was that it reminded me of the Living Space couch. So I really liked that one, the style of it, and it was very comfortable. The third one was the Colin couch. That one, I love the simplicity of it, and I love that it's like modular, whatever it's called. My English, y'all know how I be. I'm ELL forever, okay? But anyways, that one, the Colin couch, what I really liked was the simplicity of it. I love the color. It was like an ivory color, so it was like the color that I was looking for. Ivory/beige kind of. And it was comfortable. The only thing that I didn't like was the price. and the price was expensive. Like I said, it's a big purchase because it's obviously a couch, so it was pretty expensive for that one. So that was the only downfall to that couch. And also it was pretty big, so I didn't know if it was gonna fit in my space. The fourth one, the last one, was the plush couch. That one also reminded me a lot of the Utopia couch from Living Spaces, which I really liked. What I really liked about that was the color. It was perfect. Like, it was like the perfect color for me, for my place. I loved how big it was, so like all my family would be able to sit there comfortably, and it was very deep. And one thing that I didn't like was how the seating like melts in, and it kind of left like a dent of like wherever you sat. So that was one thing that I didn't like, because I was gonna have to be fluffing the couch very often. And also the price. Like, the last two couches were just expensive, over $2,000. So yeah, but yeah, those were the 4 couches that I was going back and forth from in the store. So look down below and comment and tell me which one you think I got, and tell me which one you like best. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned to see which couch I chose. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.